Okay, so my name is Franz George R. Almeida from BFAC 1 Accountancy, and my biggest cross is very overly or very religious people. This is a story lang, short story that my tito was a very religious person, but didn't really go out well, na sobrang abusive niya towards sa pets niya, sa pamilya niya, and it wasn't really good. It wasn't really of a good sight. And yeah, I used to live there kasi I was going through a lot of problems with my family, and he wanted to help, but seeing him abuse his pets and his son mostly, it wasn't really nice to see. Na malalaman ko na he would throw dumbbells at his own son and stuff. Really made me mad. And then he would talk bad about a lot of people, including my cousins. Usually cousins ko lang kasi lahat sila may lahat kami kasi may drama kami nun. And wasn't really much of a good thing for my mental health then, kasi parang may bigat din sa shoulders ko. At masakit din yun marinig na you're willing to talk bad about a person, but you're talking to God like He would forgive you for that. He would, pero He's taking it for granted ba? And yeah. Hindi naman to target sa mga religious people. I am a religious person, but it's not that I'm not that, hard on, I'm not a Christian. I'm just a Catholic. And I still believe God is real, pero thinking that people would take advantage of his forgiveness to be a bad person towards other people makes, I don't know, you worse than the devil. Kasi that's like taking advantage of, the privilege of being religious, and it wasn't really a good sight. So yeah, then after that he talked about me really bad to my cousins, na I was not really a good person, that I was sabotaging everyone even though I was just with them and agreeing with what they say. That really pissed me off to the point na I kicked them off the family. I wasn't proud of that. I wasn't really proud of how I kicked them off, kasi his son would be very into that drama, and I probably would worsen the father's sight to his sons, kasi pwede ding mabaliw yung tao and stuff, kasi he was a very trusted person towards everyone. Pero after nalaman nila na he wasn't really much of a good person towards anybody, na he would just he would take an act, and then pray to God hoping He would forgive him, He would provide for him. Wasn't much of a good thing to see, kasi nangyari na yun sa akin like I would see him do that. I would see him do the bad things, then later on at the end of the day he would pray for 2 hours just to seek forgiveness from God. Purely for me, it was very pathetic, and I just couldn't take it anymore. Na push na yung limits ko, so I decided to kick him out of the family. I didn't decide to kick him out the family. I just caused something that would kick him out. It really pissed me off din, kasi na knowing that he's still very into the family, tapos ganun din yung mangyayari, no? And yeah, feel family still in drama. Hopefully maayos na rin to soon enough. Gusto ko din kausapin yung tito ko na yun, kasi ayaw ko na din ma-abuse yung paborito kong pinsan. And yeah, hopefully it don't really go bad as much as it can. Yeah, thank you. Mukha naman akong bata kasi ganun ako. Okay, sir, thank you, bye.